back, y'all. So this time what we're doing, we haven't done, and I think I counted like 7 or 8 months. We're going to be doing a build-off. It's going to be the LEGO 40579 Eiffel's Apartment, which came, it's actually, so I should be specific, all these are gift with purchase items. So the first one is going to be the 40579 Eiffel's Apartment versus 40598 Gringotts Vault. Obviously, we got the Eiffel's Apartment with the large Eiffel Tower that we got back in November, and then the Gringotts Vault. It came with the Gringotts, excuse me, bank that is just came in. However, with this one, we added a little bit of a twist. Instead of just building me versus Sunny, what we're going to do this time is the winner gets to pick the outfit of the person who will be doing the review, next week's review. So high stakes, and let's see how it goes.